The Northwest bowling team has worked hard during the season for the rivalry duel against Gish.
I've been bowling for 8 years now. My average is about 150, 140 around there.
I've been bowling for about 6 years, and my average is between like a 160 and a 170.
I started bowling because it was a fun thing to do, honestly.
I started bowling because my brother was bowling, so I was around the environment.
My favorite part about bowling is the energy around people when you strike and stuff like that. The trips are fun and everything.
My favorite part is probably just getting out of school to see my friends and hang out with them.
There are many life lessons that can be learned throughout playing different sports.
It's taught me that you need a team to win and you can't win it by yourself. A team will always pick you up no matter what.
Bowling has taught me a lot of teamwork with everyone and just to keep working together.
I think people should join more bowling because it's a fun side activity to do. Even you can do it off school sometimes and it's fun still.
I think people should join bowling because it's a great environment and it's really fun to just be able to hang out with friends.
Many challenges are faced by every athlete throughout the seasons.
The most thing challenging about bowling is staying positive during tournaments, stuff like that, and knowing that you might lose.
The most challenging thing is probably just staying in a positive attitude when you're doing a little bad.
It's fun to have someone to go against and practice off of. We can see what they struggle on and we can improve on too.
There are another hometown team, so we would like to be the better team in our hometown.
Come support this bowling team at the Carroll Bowling Alley today, January 21st against Hastings.